Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who has subscribed and watched my videos so far, and if you subscribe today, I thank you too. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to, or show you how to make this cute pom-pom basket, or decorated basket basically. I want mine for my blankets in my living room. If you can't tell or haven't seen any of my videos, this is your first video. My living room theme is grey, navy blue and like a lilac colour. So all you'll need for this is a metal basket, like with the holes in. This is from Primark, but I got it on eBay. It was a set of two for £17, and there's a smaller one that goes inside. But the smaller one I'm going to do exactly the same as this, but that is for a present for a friend, because I think this is a cute way to do like a little hamper or a baby shower gift. If you did a little baby shower hamper for the baby or even the mum, I think it's a cute gift idea. And also it's a handy box to have. But for me, I just wanted to add a little bit of colour to my cactus shelf, which is there, and I want to use the colours that I've got. So you'll need a basket of any size, but as long as it's got like the holes on the outside so you can tie the pom-poms on. You'll then also need 3 colours of wool. It can be absolutely any colours, any thickness. And you'll also need pom-pom makers. I got mine from Hobbycraft. It was £5 for 4, and they make all different sizes. They just come like this. If you haven't got this or can't find one, you can just use cardboard in like donut shapes and just put 2 together. I've already started making some pom-poms. They just need trimming. They're there on the floor, and I've got some scissors too. And I'll show you now how I make a pom-pom and then put the basket together. So here we go. So for me, I only need a few little ones, but I would have a good mixture of all sizes. So what you do is you clip them together. They don't really clip together, they just stay together like this. And then you use your wool, which I'm going to use the purple for this, and you just wrap it round, the whole way round, and as thick as you want. So I hold it in place and wrap it round. And then just keep wrapping. It's got to be right to the corners here, and the whole way round, the same thickness really. Okay, then when you get to this corner where you've just done one fully, you need to then get it to go over to the other side. So you just need to like twist it over and round, and then just continue what you're doing on that side on this side. Okay, then when you've finished, you just want to cut your wool a little bit longer so it wraps round, like that. And then you want to clip these together. If yours doesn't do that, then obviously skip this step, but for me that's what mine does. So I've just clipped it in place. And then what I do is, there's a groove in mine, so if you'd got 2 bits of cardboard, you'd cut in between the cardboard, and you just cut this all. And then when you've gone the whole way round, you need to get a bit of your wool, and then you put it through the gap in the middle of the maker, the whole way round, and then you tie it in a knot securely. I double knot mine. And then cut it. Oh, didn't cut. Cut it, and then you've cut it in place, and then you just take it off your maker. And then there you have your pom-pom. Obviously it needs trimming, but don't trim it till the end. And then once you've finished all of them, the wool gets everywhere, but once you've finished all of them, you want to just start putting them on your basket, which I will show you now. So it's up to you if you cover all sides or not, but for me I'm just going to do the front, which doesn't matter which is the front, but the front for me is this. And play around with it how you want it basically, but what you want to do is you want the 2 long bits to be threaded through to the back, and then you just want to knot it on. I'm going to double knot mine. And then that will stay in place. And then if you've got like random bits that are too long, you just want to trim them, you can. But yeah, it's good to have all the different sizes, because then you can play around with what you've got. And then when all your basket is full or whatever, covered whatever you would like, then you obviously are finished. And I'm going to carry on tying these all on now and then show you the finished product basically. But I've probably got 2 of each size, and this basket is probably like A4 paper size, like that. So it does take a lot. It just depends how like full, I guess, you want it. So yeah, and I'll be back to show you the finished thing. And here we have the finished look. I have left the sides and I've put the 2 froze in there. But I like how the difference is, and you can see all like the ones that have gone quite like crazy and ones that haven't, and it's super cute. I could do another row along here, but I think I just like it how it is, and I like the little bit of coppery rose gold coming through. But that is it, finished. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you would make this or what you would make it into. Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. And thanks for watching. Bye!